In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive. We're going to walk through the core actions you'll take every day in Pipedrive. So by the end, you'll know how to bring in your existing data, connect your email, manage deals in your pipeline, and keep everything organized with activities and outcomes. Let's start with getting your data into Pipedrive. At the top of your Pipedrive screen, look for the More menu, usually represented by 3 dots. Click that, then choose Import Data. Here, you can upload spreadsheets of your contacts, organizations, and deals. Make sure your spreadsheet columns are clearly labeled, like name, email, company, or deal value. During the import, Pipedrive will ask you to match each column to a field in the system. Take your time here. Accurate mapping now will save you a lot of cleanup later. When everything looks correct, confirm the import and let Pipedrive do the rest. Next, connect your email so your conversations are tracked automatically. Go to your profile or settings area and open Personal Preferences. Then look for Email Sync. Choose the email provider you use, such as Gmail or Outlook, and follow the prompts to grant access. Once this is set up, emails with your contacts can appear right inside their deals and contact timelines, which makes it much easier to see the full history of a relationship at a glance. Now let's create your first deal. From the main pipeline view, you'll see a green Plus Deal button. Click it to open a form where you can enter the deal title, the contact person, the organization, the estimated value, and the stage where it should start. Try to give each deal a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it quickly. In the pipeline view, deals appear as tiles in columns that represent your stages, like lead in, contact made, or proposal sent. As each opportunity moves forward, simply drag and drop the deal tile from one stage column to the next. This visual movement helps you and your team instantly see where everything stands. From any deal, you can schedule your next steps. Open a deal, then click Activity. Here you can set up a call, meeting, task, or deadline, choose a date and time, and add notes so you remember exactly what to do. These activities become your to-do list, keeping deals from going cold. Finally, when a deal is finished, you'll want to close it as either won or lost. From the pipeline, drag the deal tile down to the bottom of the screen. You'll see options for won or lost. Drop the deal onto the correct outcome. This keeps your pipeline clean and helps your reports stay accurate, so you can learn from both your successes and your misses. And that's the basic flow of using Pipedrive. Import your data, sync your email, create and move deals, schedule activities, and then close them as won or lost.